हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माई सेल्फ हितेश बागनानी। तो आज मैं अपनी वीडियो में बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स, जो कि एक आरटीयू का सब्जेक्ट है, जिसका एग्जाम 23 सितंबर को होने वाला है, उसके इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस लेकर आया हूं, जिसका पार्ट 2 मैं भी अपलोड कर रहा हूं। पार्ट 1 मैंने सुबह अपलोड कर दिया है, आप उसे प्लीज देख सकते हैं और मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। यहाँ मैंने और भी वीडियोस अपलोड कर रखी हैं, जैसे टीसीएस इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस, इंपॉर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारी ऑफ कैंपस ड्राइव्स मैंने यहाँ पे अपलोड कर रखी है। अब टीसीएस से रिजल्ट से रिलेटेड क्वेरीज जो भी हैं, मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस अपलोड कर रखी है। प्लीज आप मेरे चैनल को विजिट करें और उसे सब्सक्राइब करने ना भूलें। तो चलिए हम अपने पार्ट 2 की तरफ चलते हैं। सो द सेट पार्ट, मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि मेरे पास 2 सेट हैं बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के। तो सेट 1 के पार्ट 2 की बात करते हैं, तो पार्ट 2 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 से हम शुरुआत करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक हमने पार्ट 1 में दिखा दिया है। सो द क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट पिग? So there are 4 options. Option number A, Apache Pig is an abstraction over MapReduce. Option number B, Pig cannot perform all the data manipulation operators in Hadoop. Option C, Pig is a tool platform which is used to analyze larger set of data representing them as data flow. And option D, none of the above. So the answer is option number B. Pig cannot perform all the data manipulation operation in Hadoop. And the explanation of the answer is, Pig is generally used with Hadoop. We can perform all the data manipulation operation in Hadoop using Apache Pig. Now, question number 17. Which of the following are a feature of Pig? So there are 4 options. Rich set of operators. Option number B, ease of programming. Option number C, extensibility. And option number D, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. All the options are following features of Pig. Question number 18. Pig operates in mainly how many nodes? So there are 4 options, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 2. Pig operates only in 2 modes. You can run Pig, execute Pig Latin statements and Pig commands using various modes, interactive and batch mode. Question number 19. Which of the following company has developed Pig? Option number A, Google. Option number B, Yahoo. Option number C, Microsoft. And option number D, Apple. So Pig is developed by Yahoo. Explanation: Apache Pig was developed as a research project in Yahoo, especially to create and execute MapReduce job on every dataset. Question number 20. Which of the following function is used to read data in Pig? So there are 4 options: write, read, perform and load. So the answer is option number D, load. Pig storage is default load function. Question number 21. Blank space is a framework for collecting and storing script level statics for Pig Latin. So there are 4 options. Option number A, Pig stats. B, Pig statics. Third, Pig statics, and all of the above. So the answer is option number C, Pig statics. The new Pig statics and the existing Hadoop statics can also be accessed via the Hadoop job history file. ये क्वेश्चन शायद पहले भी पार्ट 1 में आ चुका है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Which of the following is true statement? Option number A, Pig is a high level language. Option number B, performing a join operation in Apache Pig is pretty simple. Option number C, Apache Pig is a data flow language. And option number D, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. And the explanation is all options are true statement because Pig has the following features. Question number 23. Point out the wrong statement. Option number A, Pig can invoke code in language like Java only. Option number B, Pig enables data workers to write complex data only transformation without knowing data. Option number C, Pig's simple SQL like scripting language is called Pig Latin and appeals to developer already familiar with scripting language and SQL. Option number D, Pig is complete, so you can do all required data manipulations in Apache Hadoop with Pig. So the answer is option number A, Pig can invoke code in language like Java only. And the explanation is, through the user-defined functions facility in Pig, Pig can invoke code in many languages like JRuby, JPython and Java. Question number 24. Which of the following are incorrect with respect to Hive? Option number A, Hive provides SQL interface to process large amount of data. Hive needs a relational database like Oracle to perform query operation and store data. Option number C, Hive works well on all files stored in HDFS. On option number D, both A and B. So the answer is Hive needs a relational database like Oracle to perform query. And the explanation is Hive needs a relational database like Oracle to perform query operations and store data is incorrect with respect to Hive. Now move to the question number 25. Which of the following is not a feature of HiveQL? So there are 4 options: support joins, support indexes, support views, support transactions. So the answer is support transaction. Option number D. Support transaction is not a feature of HiveQL. Which of the following operator execute a shell command from the Hive shell? So there are 4 operators. So the answer is option number B. Exclamation operator is used for execution of command. Now question number 27. Hive uses blank space for logging. So there are 4 options: log4j, log4l, log4i and log4j. So the answer is log4j. By default, Hive will use Hive log4j default in the config directory of the Hive installation. Question number 28. Which of the following data type is supported by Hive? So there are 4 options: map, record, string and enum. So the enum data type is supported by Hive. Hive has no concept of enum. इस क्वेश्चन में which of the following data type is not supported by Hive आएगा. Okay. Question number 29. We need to store skill sets of MCQ which might have multiple values in MCQ's table. Which of the following is the best way to store this information in case of Hive? Create a column in MCQ's table of struct data type. Option number B. Create a column in MCQ's table of map data type. Create a column in MCQ's table of array data type. And option number D is as storing multiple values in a column of MCQs itself is a violation. So the answer is option number C. Create a column in a MCQ table of array data type. Question number 30. What is the full form of SDFS? Hadoop File System, Hadoop Field System, Hadoop File Search and Hadoop Field Search. So the full form of SDFS is Hadoop Distributed File System. So the option number A is correct. Hadoop File System was developed using distributed file system design. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Now we will consider all the other questions in our next part, which is part number 3. Thank you for watching this video.